Hi students, welcome to Max class. You are in the best part of YouTube learning channel, and in today's class we are going to learn one more question. Of course, in the previous class we compared the perimeter of triangle with the perimeter of rectangle, and we just found that how much more it is also. Now we are moving on to the next question, students. So what is the question? We'll read it. Salim wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeters wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeters wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Trimmed is nothing but it should be cutted, okay? So frame is nothing but, of course, you all know that in your houses we have photos and frames. So that's what they are trying to keep. So first of all, we have to take one photo and then we have to try to keep the photo in a frame, right? So that's what here this boy is also doing. So what they are asking is, they are giving the size of the picture and they are giving the size of the frame. And now finally they are asking us to keep to keep that the picture is to be trimmed. So how much more cannot be more than this. So automatically we can go for subtraction, right? So what is the answer we can do here? So first we will write length of the picture. Length of the picture is equal to 7 3 by 5 centimeters, and we all know that it is mixed fraction. We have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38 by 5 centimeters. And now the length of the frame, it cannot be, to fit in the frame it cannot be more than, so length of the picture to be trimmed is equal to 7 3 by 5 minus, so here we all know the original size of the picture, so that is the reason 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. And of course we all know that these two are mixed fractions. We can convert this mixed into improper by using the symbols into plus. 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38 by 5, and symbol minus. 7 10s are 70 plus 3, 73 by 10. Now my denominators are different. Of course we all know that if the denominators are different, then automatically we have to change them into like fractions. So how can we change them into like fractions? With the help of LCM, right? Now LCM will be taken only for the denominators, 5 and 10. So in 5 table they will come, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So now multiply 5 into 1 into 2, 5 2s are 10. So my denominator is going to become 10. Now in 5 table when I'll get 10, 5 2s are 10. 38 into 2 by 5 into 2 minus 10 table when we'll get 10, 10 1s are 10 only. So 38 2s are 76 by 10 minus 73 by 10. So this will become 3 by 10 centimeters you should cut from the original frame. Then the picture is going to fit in the frame. Okay, so how much the frame should be, how much the picture should be trimmed is 3 by 10 centimeters. Okay students, now we'll move on to the next question. So here what is the next question here given? Ritu ate 3/5 of part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Who had the larger share, by how much? So first of all here we have to find out the apple is 3 by 5 of the apple is eaten by Ritu, and left of the part, first of all we have to think that if the apple, because he didn't given here very clearly that how many part of the fraction, so I'm just thinking that let the fraction of apple will be 5 by 5. In this Ritu ate, fraction of apple Ritu ate is equal to 3 by 5, and now rest of the part is nothing but Somu ate. So 5 by 5 minus 3 by 5. So here my fraction is same, my denominators are same. I can simply subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3 is 2, 2 by 5. Now he is asking how much part of the apple did Somu ate. Somu ate 2/5 of the apple, right? Now out of this 2/5, who ate larger share? So between 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, which is bigger one? Yes, Ritu ate larger share. How much more Ritu ate when compared to Somu is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. My denominators are same, just subtract the numerators. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 5. 1/5 part of the apple is eaten more by Ritu when compared to Somu. Here the main logic here we have to understand is this part itself. Because he doesn't given how much apple from our example, out of 2 apples she ate 3/5, then we can consider that we can go for it. But he didn't given in the question how many apples according to that. So that is the reason we are only thinking that the fraction of the apple is 5 by 5. Why I consider only 5 by 5? Because here my denominator is 5. That is the reason I consider. Okay. So this is the main important part here we have to consider. Now we'll move on to the next question, students. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7/12 of an hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3/4 of an hour. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? So here he is saying about, he is comparing two members. One person, Michael, in 1 hour, 7 by 12th part of the hour, he completed his coloring. And whereas Vaibhav, he completed within 3/4 part of an hour. So both completed part of an hour only. And who took more time? Who worked longer is nothing but either Michael or Vaibhav who took more time. Means here we are comparing. And after that, by what fraction was it longer? Means here we have to do subtraction also, because what fraction it is longer also he is asking. Okay. So first we will start writing. Time taken by Michael is equal to 7 by 12th of an hour. Time taken by Vaibhav is equal to 3/4 of an hour. So who took more time we will see now. 3 by 4 or box 7 by 12, because we don't know which is bigger one. My denominators are different, so I'll go for LCM. 4 and 12 will come in 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 table will come. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Whereas 1 and 3 we can stop, because 3 is a prime number. That is the reason we can stop finding LCM here. Now multiply the numbers. 2 into 2 into 1 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now my LCM is 12. In 4 table when I'll get 12, 4 3s are 12. Box. 12 table when I'll get 12, 7 1s are 12. 3 3s are 9 by 4 3s are 12. Box. 7 1s are 7 by 12 1s are 12. So automatically by saying this, 9 by 12 is big. So who took more time? Who is this 3 by 4? Vaibhav took more time. Vaibhav took more time than Michael. And they also asked by how much more. 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12. 9 minus 7 is 2 by 12. If you'll do cancellations, 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. 1/6 hour Vaibhav took more when compared to Michael. This is what we got here, right? Okay students, now we'll move on to the next question. So this question, Suman studies 5 2 by 3 hours daily. She devotes 2 4 by hours of her time for science and maths. How much time does she devote for other subjects? So actually that girl is going to take 5 2 by 3 hours. Every day she is spending on studies 5 2 by 3 hours. Out of that 2 4 by 5 hours she consider only maths and science. And now other subjects, how much time she is going to give? Of course we can do simple subtraction. 5 2 by 3 minus 2 4 by 5. So before starting that, we will start doing solution with the steps. Okay. Fraction of time she spent on studies. Time she spent on studies is equal to 5 2 by 3 hours. So here itself I am converting mixed into improper. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 by 3 hours. And now time she spent on maths and science is equal to 2 4 by 5 hours. Again this mixed fraction can be converted into improper. 2 5s are 10 plus 4 14 by 5 hours. Time she spent on other subjects. On other subjects is equal to 17 by 3 minus 14 by 5. Of course here also we should go for LCM. 3 and 5, they both are prime numbers, so we can go for direct multiplication. 3 5s are 15. Now in 3 table when we'll get 15? 3 5s are 15. So 17 into 5 by 3 into 5 minus 5 table when we'll get 15? 5 3s are 15. 14 into 3 by 5 into 3. Now multiply numerators and denominators. 17 5s are 85. 3 5s are 15 minus 14 3s are 52, 5 3s are 15. So 85 minus 52, 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 5 3, 33 by 15. As we all know that hours is a mixed fraction, so here we have to convert this into mixed fraction again. 15 2s are 30. After subtraction we got this. So she is spending 2 3 by 15 hours on other subjects. So this girl is concentrating out of 5 2/3 hours, 2 4 by hours she is spending on science and maths, and 2 3 by 15 hours she is spending on all the other subjects. In this way that girl is divided her subject time. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's class.